Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco aroma espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because no water was coming out through here, and that was basically because the shower screen over here was completely clogged with coffee. There was a big coffee buildup all around it. This part of the things that we removed from it, we completely wiped it out and deep clean it, and yeah, that's what we did. So let's do a shot of espresso. As you can see, water keeps coming out through the steamer one, even though we close it all the way. Unfortunately, there will be nothing we can do as this part is no longer available from the manufacturer, and we will not be able to fix it, the valve itself. But even though it's leaking through here, we still see some water coming out through the water filter. We can still see that the shot is getting full. I'm gonna manually stop it here. Perfect. As you can see, that's more than 2 ounces. It definitely was pulling really good. Had good crema on the top as well. This is a previous shot that we did a long time ago. So you can still see that it's holding up the crema and it's doing the way it's supposed to do. But what it's extracting is leaking through the steamer one, and that's something that we cannot do. As you can see, water keeps coming out through the shower head, working the way it's supposed to. We could replace the water pump, but that would be up to the customer's decision. And if we replace the water pump, it will be to kind of extend a bit the life of the machine. But like I said, we will not be able to fix this issue as we can no longer have the part available. So yeah. Alright, so that's what we did with this machine, and thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.